My name is Yoway Buorn, and I'm a senior sales engineer with Sumo Logic. Sumo Logic provides continuous intelligence in the cloud. So what that means is we collect log data and metric data from our customers' servers, applications, mobile devices, and even services that they're using in the cloud, like in Akamai and AWS and so on. And we centralize that in one location, and we give you the ability to very quickly search and analyze that data. And we also apply machine learning and anomaly detection, so you can actually leverage the machine to get you to that sort of 90% point where you're ready to derive insights from your data. Sumo Logic is the only multi-tenant cloud-native log analytics solution that's available on the market right now. And so we've been around for 5 years and developed from the beginning to actually be multi-tenant. And what that means is, instead of being a hosted solution where you actually just have an instance that's pretty much the same as on-premise sitting on some server in the quote-unquote cloud, we actually do have a cloud that allows us to scale up elastically depending on demand across different customers, right? So they're sharing that elastic resource. What we're doing is we're actually taking the data that's coming out of the back end, right? So there are servers and there are mobile devices and there are other applications and services that are being used in order to run and make sure that these systems are deployed and provide their end users, their gamers, with a good experience. And so what we're looking at is actually the data coming out of those systems, right? And so we're able to monitor the performance of these systems, the user experience, and also things like security. And if there's any sort of unusual activity within those systems, maybe some malicious activity, maybe you have some gamers that found some sort of backdoor, or maybe some gamers, you're experiencing some sort of attrition, maybe you're losing some of your users. Those are all things that we would analyze, right? And sort of speaking, to more recent trends, right, is we've released an application for Docker, right? That's something that a lot of gaming companies are looking at doing because of just sort of the growth of microservices. And then also just other cloud services such as AWS, Akamai, things like elastic load balancing, right? Especially with smaller gaming companies that need to leverage these services rather than have to build out the entire infrastructure on their own, which is exactly what we provide as well, right? Log analytics as a service, we're able to take in data from those different cloud sources right off the bat. Right, so we provide a free trial on the website, which is available if you just go to sumologic.com, and you can sign up right there and you'll be up and running in like 30 minutes.